8:30 day trade setup for today. We had a pretty solid day yesterday, and you can see how open on our low, close on our high. That's just a sign that the bulls are in firm control at the moment. I've been saying it for a while now that trend is up, and we shouldn't be looking at anything else. Anyway, we are in this area of congestion, and just zoom down a little bit here. So you can see a lot of potential resistance in this area. Okay, so yeah, the trend is up and we should be looking for opportunities here. I just want to get to the 8 hour here. I want to see, is there anything we should be looking for? So these two levels that I've put in now are definitely areas we need to pay attention to the upside anyway. And we're going to have to find support on the lower time frames there. Just zoom in. Right. So we've got a bit of a rejection bar off a level, nothing to read into it. Obviously, reading the 3 hours, that's the area that I would like to see a retest, which would be 25,844. I don't think we're going to get it. I think this thing is still onwards and upwards, and it's probably going to muscle on through this level here of 26,404 and then push for 26,638. Looking at yesterday, we had this flirting with this level, which was really insane because you would have expected a bit of a bounce back. So for me, what I was waiting for is some kind of a bounce back onto structure. So in other words, down to here and then attempt to go up. I mean, that's typically what you want to do. You can see how we hit this level here, then bounced off, and then again attacked it. So yeah, I suppose hindsight being a perfect science, second time, it was the second attempt at it, so the fact that it broke through, there was a possibility for it, so it could have taken it. Anyway, wasn't really an opportunity for me, and quite frankly, I don't see an opportunity at the moment. So looking at the 15 hour, we've had a retest of this area. Time of day is wrong though. We've had a retest of that area. Okay, that is a double top. So similar setup on the S&P at the moment. And that double top is going to take us down into the middle of nowhere. So just put a level there. No, I suppose we could argue that that's a little bit of structure there, but not in my book. Anyway, so I think the trend is firmly to the upside. So you are looking for long. There's no thinking about that. That is what you should be doing. The question is where do you get in? Now, obviously for me, a break of this area here is definitely something I would like to see retested, which is 25,844. Are we going to get it? I don't know. I really don't know what's going to transpire here. But as I pointed out yesterday, we are overbought quite extensively at the moment. We can stay overbought for a long period of time, so you can't really read much into that. But and we do have diversions and all sorts of things forming. I'm just a little bit wary. So you don't want to chase longs at the highs. You'd rather wait for price to come back, give you opportunity to get in long, and then get in long. So the setup will happen. You've got to be patient for it, and I think that's pretty much my view on this. So I'm not interested in chasing this market, well, actually any of the indexes at the moment, probably for the rest of the week. There's some nice setups in Forex that I'll rather focus on, and just let this continue until I find some structure that supports my trades. At the moment, you are looking for longs. I think that's a given. You shouldn't even be worried about looking for shorts. You're just going to get yourself burnt. So look for structure. When you see structure, take the long, and try and get your structure on a 15 or 30-minute chart, and that will protect your capital quite extensively as far as I'm concerned. But there's no reason to be short this market. But for me, I don't feel it and I don't see it. We're at extended levels, and I'm a little bit cautious. I'd rather see a bit of a pullback and then an opportunity to get in. But this is starting to remind me very much of when was it? 2018. Just get back there. Yeah, here we go. So the 2017, where there was just, there was absolutely zero opportunities of getting in on the trade. You just jumped in on it and didn't even bother with a stop loss. It just ran, so that's kind of what it's starting to remind me of. But look at the volatility that picked up in 2018, 2019, and then 2020. Anyway, so very little structure forming for me at the moment, which is why I'm saying I'll sit on the sidelines until I see structure. I think a retest here of 25,844 will definitely get me interested. Okay, so, and obviously you can fine tune it like that, come to the hour. You can fine tune that somewhere in this area here of let's say 2600 to 25,830, 25,800. So any price move back into that area and we start finding support, that will get me interested in a half decent long. At the moment, there's no real structure before that. Okay. Anyway, hope that helps you, and we'll catch up with you later. Cheers for now.